You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Italian, meaning grand selection. It's usually used for wine. If you want to learn more Italian wine pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. So Italian pronunciation, Gran Selezione. Gran Selezione. Yeah, if you do not speak Italian perfectly, you can always say it as Gran Selezione. Gran Selezione. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.